very important, inviting people towards good and forbidding evil. Take some ahadith of the Prophet ﷺ about this important responsibility that we all have. And I have delivered detailed lectures about the importance of this before, and I will give you some ahadith of the Prophet ﷺ about this. The Prophet ﷺ said that Allah Jalla wa Ala sent azab, punishment, to the inhabitants of a place which numbered 18,000. There was a place which had 18,000 people in it, a city which had 18,000 people in it, and Allah Jalla wa Ala punished them. The Prophet ﷺ said their worship was like the worship of the prophets. 18,000 people living in one city are being punished, but the ibadah, the worship was like the worship of the prophets, but they were still punished. Imagine a person's worship is like the worship of the prophets, but he is still punished. The companion said, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how is that possible? Their worship was like the worship of the prophets, and they were still punished. And azab was sent from Allah Jalla wa Ala. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, they did not express anger for the sake of Allah, and they did not invite people towards good and forbid evil. They were just worried about their own worship. My Quran, my wazaif, my awrad, my recitation, my nawafil, my fasting. They did not give dawah in the path of Allah. Because of that, 18,000 people were being punished. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, all of them azab of Allah Jalla wa Ala.